Easy English words. Animal. Bee. Bee. The bee gathers nectar. Buffalo. Buffalo. Buffaloes wallow in the mud. Cat. Cat. The cat has white fur. Camel. Camel. Camel is in the desert. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. The caterpillar is on the leaf. Cow. Cow. The cow produces milk. Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers. Dog. Dog. The dog is eating. Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffes have long necks. Goat. Goat. Goats eat grass. Horse. Horse. The horse runs fast. Lion. Lion. Lions are powerful predators. Rabbit. Rabbit. The rabbit is in the field. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses have thick skin. Snake. Snake. The snake slithers silently. Now, test yourself. Bee. Bee. Buffalo. Buffalo. Cat. Cat. Camel. Camel. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Cow. Cow. Crocodile. Crocodile. Dog. Dog. Giraffe. Giraffe. Goat. Goat. Horse. Horse. Lion. Lion. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Snake. Snake. Complete the following sentence. The bee gathers nectar. Buffaloes wallow in the mud. The cat has white fur. Camel is in the desert. The caterpillar is on the leaf. The cow produces milk. Crocodiles live in rivers. The dog is eating. Giraffes have long necks. Goats eat grass. The horse runs fast. Lions are powerful predators. The rabbit is in the field. Rhinoceroses have thick skin. The snake slithers silently.